This is
Next book on the
Van
favorites
Degen.
list
Remember that
is
one
Paper
time when I
Towns
was
2. That's not all.
Hi.
So, this is a meme that has been sitting on my to-do list for quite a while. And I thought, what better thing to do to avoid doing my homework? Yeah. Basically, the premise of this meme is that people, depending on the region in which they live, pronounce certain words in different ways. And over time, members of the YouTube community have developed a list, actually probably several lists, as this meme goes off in different directions, of words that are particularly, I guess, troubling when it comes to pronunciation. Incidentally, a lot of people have done this meme, and there are several different lists out there. The list I got was from Loquacious Kook, who got it from iJethRobot, who got it from Eric's Every New Day, and on back. And so I'm going to participate in that meme. First, I'll give you an idea of the region in which I live. I have lived in the Midwest my entire life. I spent the first 10 years of my life in Illinois and the last 15 in Ohio. I currently live in Northwest Ohio, and my proximity to the state of Michigan gives me the unfortunate tendency to occasionally spread my A's. I try to avoid it as much as I can, but sometimes it just happens. And now I will pronounce the following words as I would, just straight out without any thought or anything. Tootsie Roll. Comfortable. Orange. Both. Tour. Toilet. Sure. Nevada. Roof. Chocolate. Root. Drawer. Coupon. Ramen noodles. Pecan. Caramel. Milk. Kinda getting hungry now. Again. Caribbean. Although admittedly when I'm referring to the movie I say Caribbean. Wash. New Orleans. Crayon. Envelope. Coffee. Reese's Pieces. Data. 4. Oregon. Bother. About. And finally, the last stipulation of the meme is that everyone who does it has to add a new word to the list, and so the word I'm going to add is address. And by this I mean the noun address, as in street address or email address. Do you say address? Do you say address? Obviously, I say address. I'm curious to see how some of you pronounce some of the words on this list. See you next time. I really wish cars would stop driving past my window.